Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well. I just want to do a quick unboxing of the Prepper Gun Shop PGS15 10.5-inch barreled pistol AR-15. Owner's manual, basically operation, maintenance, warnings, pretty much what you'd find in every manual. Business card. Oh, duck hunt. Looks like a, oh yeah, target. That's kind of cool. Get you a target so you can go right off to the range. Important customer, telling you to check out your firearm. Firearm safety rules, looks like. Neat. Comes in obviously a cardboard box. Got some foam in there. Lock. That can go in the pile. A 30-round ASC aluminum gray anti-tilt follower magazine. Cool. And the PGS15 pistol. So let's just obviously make safe. Yep. So why was I interested in this? I was interested in this because it had some features that other pistols at this price did not have. And so let's go over those really quickly. This features 7075 T6 forged upper, 7075 T6 forged lower. The trigger's just a mil-spec trigger, single stage. The safety is ambidextrous. It does come with a kind of a nice little dust door. Got the Prepper Gun Shop logo, 5.56 NATO. It does have a sling attachment here on the rear, left and right. It does have the Gearhead Works tail hook Mod 2 brace that is adjustable. And then the tail hook comes out here. And this is all hard plastic, there's no rubber here. It's really kind of nice. The castle nut, let's see if I can get this in focus, is staked here and here. So that's nice because they actually care enough to stake the nut, because a lot of places don't, unfortunately. It does come with a simple A2 style rear sight. Looks like 1 to 600 yards. I don't have a lot of experience with these, unfortunately. But yeah, it looks like 1 to 600 yards. Pinned gas block, front gas block, A2 style front sight, F mark, A2 style flash hider, quad rail, T markings. The barrel is a Ballistics Advantage barrel. This particular barrel in this one is a 1-in-7 twist. The chamber is 5.56. It is a 4150 chromoly vanadium steel. Carbine length gas tube. It is a nitriding on it as well. Ambidextrous charge handle, right-handed, left-handed. Brass deflector, forward assist. The bolt carrier is a Toolcraft bolt carrier. It is a full auto profile, and it has been particle inspected. So, and the yeah, it's been properly staked. It says grade 8 fasteners on the write-up. Nitrided. Anyhow, let's check out the buffer quick here. Buffer spring appears to be regular carbine length. And oh wow, hold on here. This is definitely heavier than your regular buffer weight. Oh, and it's magnetic, so that's steel, not aluminum. Let's grab a scale here quick. So generally speaking, what you're going to see in a budget AR-15 is going to be a 3-ounce buffer weight. Let's go to ounce. Oh, 4 5/8. So Yeah, 4 5/8 ounce buffer weight. That's kind of nice, actually, to be honest with you. So that'll aid a little less felt recoil, a little bit more reliable running. Although I don't hear any weights shaking around in there, but I don't think that's going to be a real issue. Obviously, this is just a semi-automatic, so I don't think we're going to have any issues with that necessarily. Let's get the scale out of the way. So that's what they offer, and I saw all these and thought that that was a really great deal, and they have a sale going on right now for this exact firearm for $579.99. So for $579.99, that's what you get. Nice cool logo on the lower. Yeah, really neat. Anyhow, so that's the review of this, and yeah, what do I think? Initial thoughts, I think the build quality is really good. The fitment to the upper and lower, there's just a little bit of wiggle there, not much. Obviously it can't be solid because you need to be able to separate it. Yeah, and I can't wait to shoot it. I can't wait to put rounds through it and see what it can do. So, story time. Let's say the reason I bought this over another Palmetto State Armory build, which is kind of interesting because before I even started this video, I wanted to take a look at what PSA had to offer, and right now they offer a little 10.5 inch for exactly $579. So what are the real differences between these two? Now I have something like that, but of course I put a bunch of stuff on mine. You might remember this from an older video, the Mark 18 clone that I built. So the differences are, you're not going to get a quad rail. You're going to get a Magpul carbine length FDE handguard. The trigger would actually, I guess there's argument to be had there. You can consider it to be nicer. They have what they call their EPT trigger. It is a really nice trigger. It does break really nice. This one doesn't break bad either, but I think the EPT just comes ahead just a little bit as far as triggers go. The barrel, no-name barrel. I know a lot of people say there's a lot of FN barrels in there. I have gotten FN barrels from some of their builds that I have, and then I have some like this where there's just no name whatsoever. But they are going to be a chromoly vanadium 4150, so pretty much the same material. 1 in 7 twists, exact same twist rate. 5.56 chambering, same length, 10.5 inches. So the specs are relatively the same. The ballistic advantage barrel might have a better quality control. That's up to you. That's for you guys to decide. I really don't have any dog in that fight right now. I haven't shot either one of them. Their bolt carrier is not a tool craft bolt carrier on that particular one. It's just a 158 Carpenter nitrided. The grip is an A2 on the Prepper Gun Shop. On this one it is a MOE FDE by Magpul. The brace on this one is a SBA3 adjustable brace. The calcium nut was not staked on this one when I got this one, unfortunately. And there was no rear sight that came with this one at the time. This one, it looks like they have a, yeah, they have a Magpul M-Bus. The Palmetto State Armory would be a mil-spec safety, mil-spec charging handle. And this one actually has the CAC brace. So where mine has the SBA3 and FDE, this one would be the CAC brace. So anyhow, same price. I guess without using, either one of them, I'd probably tip my hat to the Prepper Gun Shop. I really do like how the hard plastic on this tail hook mod 2. I really do like that by Gearhead Works. But we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to go to the range, shoot them both, and see which one can come out on top. I'm sure both of them will operate just fine. I have shot a couple hundred rounds through this one before, and it operated just amazing, no problems. And now I just gotta get this one out to the range. Guys, always remember, loose is fast, brakes only slow you down, and shotguns have a wider spread. Be safe and have fun on the range. We'll see you later. Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to add in here, an addendum if you will. The quad rail, the fasteners, all 4 of them, have been treated with Loctite. That is something you don't often see, and I can really appreciate. So all 4 of them have Loctite on them. Also, the ambidextrous safety, there's also Loctite on this. So yeah, those things do matter to me. The barrel was also made to the upper using aeroshell. You can see the aeroshell right here. Anyhow, just want to let you guys know, I really do think that their quality control is high on these, and I think that they really do care. So anyhow, we'll talk to you guys later.